Before starting this video, let me ask you one questions like how many of you have written these skills like Python, Java or SQL in your resume, but in deep down you know that you don't have any solid proof for it. And before starting this video, let introduce a new project, AI based skill tracking systems for the students. And this project actually prove your skill and not only claiming. So, and trust me, this is not a repeated project that we usually do like the attendance or resume analyzer. This is an unique and new project in this field. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to our channel. And like we have uploaded lots of project in our channel with the different programming languages like Java, PHP, AI based Pythons, and different kind of languages. And this complete detail of this AI based skill tracking systems you will find on our website. You just need to go updategadh.com, and after that you can search the project from here like AI based. You just need to enter only AI. It will show all the result that include AI related projects. So, and the first project you will see AI based skill tracking systems. Just select it and you will get all the detail of this project. So if you are a final year student, this video can literally save your project marks. So see, like today every student has certifications, everyone has done online courses, everyone has a resume. But when a recruiter or viva examiner asks, how did you learn these skills, how much practice did you do, and something like ask show me a proof or something like that, so most of the students don't have the answer. And this is the problem where we build this project. And this project might be help on that cases that you can showcase your uh, skill set, or you can show your practice and all the things. Instead of writing skill in a one liner, this system track your skill journey like a timeline. Let me show you the live demo. And before starting this project, first you need to run this system on your local systems, on your local machine or local system, on your local desktop, whatever. So this is an admin panel, or you can say that the home page of this project. So first you need to registration. If you already have the credentials, then you can just directly log in. So I am just I'm creating in one account with the name of test 1608, and the email I am using rishabh@gmail.com, and I am using same password. Create an account. Now I have successfully create my account. Now this is the dashboard. Here a student can add the skills like in Pythons. Now instead just adding a skill, when you can start instead just adding an skill, you need to add the current level, target level, and where did you start learning and all the things like I just these are the tips and tricks that you can see on the screen of after login. I'm just adding new skill. Here you can see that add your skill. Currently we have used these languages. You can add another, uh, you can add some more language also. I am using I am selecting the Python. Starting date, like I am selecting this today. The level, I am selecting beginner, and the target level I select also intermediate. Add skill. Now this already make the project different. Only these things, like currently the level is 0. So as I select, this is your score. Currently score 0. Last activity, like we don't add any practice or any sessions related to this project right now. So we can add skill from here. And if you see, now select the Python. No, this is the most important part of this project, like add practice log. You need to add the logs like coding 60 minutes, building a project, or learning concept. So now the systems know that you are actually practice on that. I'm just adding in one concept. I just do a practice on 60 minutes with the coding, and I need to add the notes like I have solved 3 question. Okay, and now add the logs. It will automatically update the date, time, and the types. Evidence, currently we don't add any evidence, so we need to add the evidence also. And this is the programming starting date, level, and intermediate, like the last evidence or last update in this system. Now the next part is evidence. We need to add the evidence like GitHub or link or just text. I'm just selecting the text, and the title I showed 3 questions. We need to add the GitHub URL, optional, but it would be good if you share the GitHub URL here. And like what the description of about that evidence, what is Python variables, and all the things related to that. Just selecting the add evidence. Now we have added the practice log and the evidence also. All the evidence will display here, and all the practice log display here. Now after completing all the details like add evidence and add practice logs, all the things. Now watch this carefully. When I click on the run AI score, the system calculate a skill confidence score from 0 to 100. Currently it's showing the 0, but it will calculate the score from 0 to 100. This score is generated usually practice frequency, evidence type, and consistency. And the best part, it also detect the fake or inactive skill. Now I am just select this. You can see that the score is 13, and this feature alone make your project standard to the Viva. Like this project is unique. You don't have seen any project related to this. And the score is 13 by the latest AI reason updated this reason evidence score based on the one evidence. Currently you have added only the one evidence, and the reason of 13 is like evidence score is 1, practice score is low less total 60 minutes, consistency score is 1, only active 1 days, and score is explainable wait score, not a black box model. Okay, now flag, no suspicious flag. This is 13, only 13 is score. If I add another evidence and add another practice log, then it will increase the score also. Now this project make this project different. This feature make this project a different. You can add the admin panel also if you want. You can add the admin also, or if you want to add some other things in to make this project more enhanced, like the Gmail functionality or all the things. But currently this project is also a different and unique. uh, Let me add few points why this project is best. New topic, not copied. Just all other projects that you have seen are copied from the other projects. Easy to explain. Real world uses and AI plus web and database are used very high and very impactful in a virus. If you are presenting this properly, examiner will definitely ask you question in a good way, not just an like an usually you just show and project that are just management or related to that. Now many students will ask, can I get this code for this project? Yes, definitely you can get this code of this project. You will get complete source code, database diagram, PPT, and project explanation supports. All the details are available on the website that I mentioned in the starting of this video. If you found this project useful, like this video, comment And also subscribe to Decode It for the more real final year projects. And remember, don't just write a skill, prove them.